Okay, let me consider 3 people on the left and 5 places on the right. Place 1, place 2 and so on. And then on the left you have people ABC recommending these 5 places to you. Let's say A recommends P1, A also recommends P2, so on, A recommends P3, so on and so forth. Alright, assume this is the given graph. So what do you think is A1 here? A1 will be P1 plus P2 plus P3. As I was saying, the principle of repeated improvement is what this is called as. I will assign the score P1 plus P2 plus P3 to A. I will start P1, P2, P3, P4, P5, A, B and C with 1, 1, 1 points each. So I go on doing this. B is so much, C is so much. Maybe you may want to pause and take a look at how this is being true. I am writing this down. So on, so on, so on. And that's it. So what I plan to do right now is I am going to open an Excel sheet, spreadsheet rather, any spreadsheet will do. I am going to open a Google spreadsheet and I am going to type these values there and I am going to see whether it will converge or not. It will help if you can make a note of this graph and also this A, B, C, P1, P2, P3, P4, P5 here, so that you are you know what are the formulas which you can try punching in on the Google spreadsheet. I have now come to the Google spreadsheet. As you can see, you have A, B, C, D, A, B, C, P1, P2, P3, P4, P5 here. Let me try making it bold and underline it. Perfect. And then I start with the values. A is 1, B is 1, C is 1, P1, P2, P3, P4, P5 are all 1s. And the value of A, as you can see, is P1 plus P2, which is D2, E2 and F2. P1 plus P2 plus P3. You can see I have punched in all the values of A, B and C. Since B is, what is B? B is P1. I have asked you to write down the graph. I am sure you have written it down. If you can cross check, you will see that B is actually P1, P4 and P5. So it will be 1 plus 1 plus 1, which is 3. So on and so forth. C is simply your P3. So I go on like this. I write down everything. That's this row. And then the next row is I normalize it. What do? I take this 3, 3, 1, which is 3 plus 3 is 6 plus 1 is 7, and I divide 3 by 7 here. So 3 is divided, as you can see, the entry of A3 is divided by the entry of A3 plus B3 plus C3. For a change, I am using a spreadsheet. There are instances where spreadsheets are easier than programming, although programming is a very, very powerful thing to do. Sometimes spreadsheet is a quick reference for you to compute and see what's happening. So you see that I am just trying to normalize it here. Similarly, for P1, P2, P3, P4, P5, I have normalized this, which is 2 plus 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I am dividing everything by this sum. I have written a formula here. So what I do is, when I keep repeating this, repeating what? These assignments, I do this, what is called the principle of repeated improvement. I add the corresponding entities and then keep normalizing it. When I do it in the second iteration, I get so much. So what is this? This will obviously be the sum of, as you can see, D, E, F, which is this one, and this one, which is P1 plus P2 plus P3. Just above it, D4, E4, F4 is simply this, and this. Values added together is this. So on and so forth. It automatically gets added. That's the power of a spreadsheet. When you pull it, the automatic values are being flooded. And then, as and always, I told you what I did here. Similarly, the same thing is repeating here. I am normalizing it. Now, you see the values are changing here. 0.42 became 0.45. Let me do this one more iteration. So this is what is important for us, right? These values. So let me make this bold. This one is bold. This is what you get after normalizing it. Perfect. So you see, it's sort of getting closer and closer. May not be here, this is going haywire, it's going somewhere else. 0.14, 0.18, 0.13. So I don't think it's very in any way close to converging. So maybe I may have to do this again. Let me try continuing this. Maybe up to 20. Right? So what do I see? I see that 0.45, 0.46, 0.45 still not converging. Right? So what I'll do is I will try pulling this till 100. When I keep doing this, as I keep doing this, maybe even 200, I'll go on till maybe 200, around 200 iterations, and I stop it here. It is flooding. Yeah, it's flooded. Now you see something startling. It's converging. So the values 0.4608111 that the node A had remains the same, right? Look at this. This and this is the same. This and this is the same. It's exactly the same. This is called the principle of iterated improvement, wherein you observe that when you keep, I'll come back to the first line, when you assign all the nodes to have 0.1 and you keep doing this point assignment thingy, you will see that the values converge. We'll use this in our forthcoming lectures to explain what exactly one can infer from this.